What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing everybody how I draw side view faces in my style. And just a disclaimer, this is just how I do it. There's so many different ways to draw these faces. So just remember to practice and most importantly, have fun. So if you guys happen to be new here, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. So to start, I find a reference photo and I break it down into these simple guidelines. And I also just studied facial planes and I made myself a cheat sheet. If you guys don't know what that is, I highly recommend to go study it. It will 100% help you out. So one thing that I like to do is while I'm doing the guidelines, I like to use different colors. So for the more simple guidelines, I'm using blue, and now you guys can tell I'm going in with a red to get the more detailed structured guidelines of the face. And this just helps you really see things more clear rather than using just one simple color. So I always start with two circles. The one on the outside shows me where the head is, and the one on the inside just shows me that this is going to be a side view face. Then I follow it up with two vertical lines, one in the middle and one in the outer side of the circle. The one in the middle lets me know that's where I'm gonna draw my jawline, and the one on the outside lets me know that's roughly where I'm gonna start my forehead. Then I go in and just kind of put in where I want to draw my jawline, basically. So the first horizontal line that I tend to draw is the one right in the middle of the circle. And this is important to me because this just lets me know that this is where the eyebrow is going to be. And it just allows me to know where I can place all of my other horizontal lines as well. So I always start off with the one right in the middle. So at this part of the drawing, it can get a little tricky. And this is why I love to always keep the reference right there, because then you can go in and see like how far the nose comes out versus the forehead, or how far the lips poke out versus the chin. And you know, those minor details, it can get really tricky. So have fun with this part and don't be afraid to like erase anything. Erase it, start over. Have fun, keep practicing, because this can get tricky, but as long as you have that reference and you just keep going and you keep going at it and trying over and over again, you will 100% get it. So one of the things that I love about guidelines is that once you have all of that figured out, you just know where to put everything. For example, I always struggled with figuring out where to put the ear, and I never knew where to put the ear at, especially like on side profiles. And I always struggled this, and the proportions would just be so off. But part of the reason was because I wasn't properly using guidelines. And if you're a beginner or you're just starting out, whatever the case may be, take advantage of the guidelines. Like, it's literally the guide, and it makes everything so much easier. Trust me. So at this part of the video, I'm just going to share some time-lapse videos of basically me drawing 3 different side view profiles in my style. And one funny thing that I love about being an artist is that I can literally take the same method and apply it to so many different pieces, and all 3 of those pieces will come out looking completely different. And I love that. I really love that. And that just goes to show that really, there's really no right or wrong way on how to do this. I've seen so many different artists take these proportions and just alter it in their own way. And they created their own style, their own art piece. And it just is so different. So that's why, like, take all this information and just apply it to your style and just have fun. Just have fun with everything, and don't be afraid to just add your own style and your own flavor to your art. So if you've made it to this part of the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you've learned anything at all through this video, please leave a comment below and let me know. Also, if you have any other tips, put those in the comments below too and help out other people, even me, because I would love to know and I would love to learn some new techniques too. But as always, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video. Please like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe because I have so much more content coming out and I would hate for you to miss it. So with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.